Getting my hair braided.
Hey, don't touch it. I'm just
That's how long my hair is. Going past, going past my nipples.
I said this was the end. No, the end is the end.
How's the general condition looking, babe?
Sorry?
How's the general condition of my hair looking?
General condition looks very healthy
Healthy.
and very clean.
But it doesn't always look very healthy.
I've done a great job washing it.
Got my little sidekick here. Hey, Papa.
Tiaki.
And they're just like arguing over a game of something. Card game. They say from pain will come pleasure.
Beauty is pain.
Oh, beauty is pain. Beauty is pain, apparently.
Because you put that one down first.
Ow.
Put that one down. You put that one.
It's okay. It's okay.
Then you put that one. Then I put that one.
It's one of the sacrifices you make for having long hair.
So it doesn't matter. But
One of the benefits is, which I've really enjoyed, is not having to go to the barber ever.
Yes, no, I know. But
It used to cost me like $50 a month. What's that? $600 a year. Back in my pocket. And what are you doing, babe? A braid.
Yeah. Just a basic braid.
Basic braid.
after this tiaki, you're going to go.
This woman is the braid queen. She's the celebrity braider. Jessica Malaboy. I think she's even done Beyonce. And we're just about done. And the last step, just combing it all through, keep it nice and tight. I've just washed it, I've just put hair food in it.
A great job doing Daddy's hair.
Oh, thank you.
Here's the final product. It's a bit hard to see in this light. Nice. Nice and tight, ready for the day.